much do you cost?
Not much, only $185.
That's pretty outside my budget. Instead of a spell, could I have your advice on one specific situation?
What your problem?
So my boyfriend isn't real. How do I make him real?
You need a spell on him. That will last forever.
Do you want to see a pic?
Yes, that's when you are ready.
This is he. Isn't he hot?
Okay.
Okay? Just okay? I guess you need to see more.
Where are you from?
Hell, why?
Where are you from?
Hell, why? Is he hot?
Answer me. Where are you from?
I've answered you twice. Hell. Are you sure you can make him real?
Yes, I can make him real.
Will he be hotter in real life?
How old are you?
Listen, I don't have 185 lying around, so how about you pay me for introducing this handsome specimen to your eyeballs? I take cash or credit.
How old are you?
Hell,
Are you on WhatsApp? Let's communicate better, my friends.
what's the app's name?
WhatsApp.
Yeah, what app?
Yes. WhatsApp. That's the app name.
That's a confusing name. Is WhatsApp like Venmo? When can I expect the money?
You're a horrible person. I mean, this guy sucks too for trying to make anime people real. But there's a tier list of sucky people. I think both of you are on the same tier.
It's what I do.
You shouldn't though.
It's what I do.
Okay, just saying that.
It's what I do.
You know, everything you say here won't protect you from what your brain tells you, like when you're asleep. There's nothing I can say will be worse than that.
Thanks. It's what my brain says when I'm awake is real terrifying.
Oh, God.
Just lying in bed. By the way, remember this horrible thing you did when you were sick?
Remember that freaking scene from Gumball? Hi, Gumball, this is your head. Remember that?